So here's the expansion valve out of this old Mercedes from the other day. That's where it leaks, right there at the adjustment point for the expansion valve for setting the superheat. There's an O-ring up in there and they leak. And looking at this one, it's an older unit, but it's dirty inside. It's not bright and clean. If you look inside, you see a little discoloration. And it should be bright, really bright inside. There should be no debris buildup inside there. And there's a slight discoloration as you look down there in the pintle, a little grain. That means the system has got very hot, and that's why that's not bright and shiny down in there. It has kind of a yellowish gray tint to it. A little dirty and a little wet, and it overheated from running low on refrigerant. That's what those signs are. And that was the location. No fun, but it's better than under the dash.